Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a remake on my scalloped corn. Okay, so we're going to start with corn, thinly sliced onions, a cup of milk, and then we're going to do 30 crackers, and they have to all be crushed. I put in a plastic bag. Brush them all up, see how nice they look. Brush them all up like that. And then put them in there. And your melted butter. I'm going to take 3 beaten eggs. Okay. I'm going to take 3 beaten eggs. Remix this all together. Mix it all together. That looks. We'll put a sugar. Mix together. All the crackers are wet. Okay, so I sprayed up a baking dish. I'm going to put that in here. Okay. Okay, looking good. Okay, so I'm going to take half a sleeve of crackers again. And crush them in here. So I'm going to take a half a sleeve of crackers, crush them up. And crushing them up good. Okay, now I'm going to add melted butter. Push this all up. Okay, so that's butter mixed with the crackers. Now I'm going to sprinkle this on top. Okay. Okay, it's looking delicious. It's all done. Please come back, try my other recipes, and ring that bell. Thank you.